Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So let's start the video with some new update. Here we have a hiring. This is coming out from the My Career Net. This is for the trainee software engineer and 0 to 1 year of experience is required into this position. So CTC is already mentioned here as a 9 to 12.5 lakhs per annum, and this is a permanent kind of role and location will be Bangalore. So you can check this out, and key requirement or skill is mentioned here like good technical skill in any of the required domain like in embedded application testing. Experience in any of the programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, etc. And should have used the same in the at least a class project. Okay, so good analytical and problem solving skill. Education is postgraduate or pursuing from a recognized college university. Student are eligible to participate into this position. So very good opening is there. You can check this out and try to apply into this position. Mandatory skill is Java and Python. Okay. Then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the CVET. This is for the associate product consultant reposite. Okay, so location is Gurgaon and requisition ID and all is mentioned here, so you can check this out. Bachelor degree is preferred with strong academic credential. Excellent communication skill and verbal written skill is required. Experience in blended process that involves working on custom task and project, preferably travel and hotel background. So these are all things. Candidate must rank within the top 20% of their present team. Okay, so these all things is mentioned here, so you can go through this and try to apply into this position. Then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the McKinsey. This is for the software delivery analyst role, and location is Gurgaon. So you can check this out as well. And engineering degree is preferred. Strong proficiency in Excel, including lookup, index match, and pivot. Proficiency in macros, array function, and PowerPoint will be add an advantage bonus. Okay, so knowledge of variety of procurement technology source like Arabian, JICAS. These all things is mentioned here, so you can check this out. Coding, statistic or data analysis background is there, so you can check this out and try to apply into this as well. Then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the PhonePe. This is for the intern technology risk and compliances. Okay, so location is Bangalore and multiple key points and all is already mentioned here, and simple process is there. You can directly fill out your all the detail here only, and you can be able to apply into this position. And skill expected is solid foundation of information security principle and governance risk and compliances. So these all things you can go through this and try to apply into this as well. Then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the Wipro. This is for the developer position and location is Gurgaon. Multiple key points is mentioned here like Microsoft .NET development technology, C Sharp, MVC .NET, net core, web API design pattern and all is mentioned here. MySQL full stack like front end, back end and databases is secondary knowledge. Okay, so AWS cloud native development, Terraform for AWS infrastructure and deployment. So these all things is mentioned here, so you can also check this out and try to apply into this as well. Then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the Canonical. This is for the Linux desktop and device support engineer. So you can also go through this position. Multiple key points and all is mentioned here like troubleshooting and all. So you can also go through this and check this out. Then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the LSEG. This is for the engineer position and the location is Gurgaon. So qualification and experience they have mentioned here as a professional qualification or equivalent, a strong knowledge of at least one programming language and the ecosystem of this. Okay, some knowledge of patterns, moderate experience in software development and delivery role. So these are all things you can go through this as well and try to apply into this also. Then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the Google. This is for the software engineer, kernel firmware silicon. Okay, so location is Bangalore. Bachelor degree in electrical electronics, computer stream or equivalent practical experience is required. At least 1 year of experience is required into this position. Okay, and you should be knowing at least one programming language from the Python, C, C++, Java or JavaScript. That is preferred for this role. 1 year of work experience in development, testing and deployment. So these all things is mentioned here, so you can check this out and try to apply into this position as well. Then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the Goldman Sachs. This is for the graduate campus hiring program 25 and 26. Okay, so registration for the program start by 21st of May and it will get ended by 30 of May. So before that only you have to apply into this position. Only 4 days is left. Candidate graduating in 27 from a non-engineering bachelor degree is preferred. Bangalore and Hyderabad will be the location, so you can also check this out. And program timelines and all is already mentioned here like registration by May 21st to 30 of May. Aptitude test will be there by June 5th. Pre-placement talk will be there by June 9th, June 12th. By June 12th, you will be having some upskilling session. Then group discussion is there by June 19. After that you will be having interview by June 27. So this is a 1 month process, so you can also check this out. And application process and all is already mentioned here, so you can read this and try to apply into this position as well, and try to apply for all the position whatever I have explained right now, because all the openings are very very important. And if you have any queries or anything, you can just ping me in the comment section. I will try to help you out. So thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.